This question has no comfortable answer. It started as a simple query about how best psychology books on human behavior for beginners could rewire your brain, and ended in something unthinkable, revealing truths hidden beneath the surface. These books challenge everything you thought you knew about yourself, creating psychological tension that forces introspection. Prepare to uncover a reality where your perceptions of self and others are fundamentally transformed. It began as a simple question about how best psychology books on human behavior for beginners could rewire your brain. The shocking reality. Books by Freud and Skinner hinted at the power within our minds, whispering of hidden patterns and untapped potential. Here is what they never told you. Every page turned not just knowledge but rewiring, neurons firing in new ways, connections forming unseen. In came Maslow's hierarchy, a ladder to self-actualization. Each step climbed higher, revealing the true human capacity for growth and fulfillment. Here is what they rarely mention. As we read these books, our beliefs shift subtly yet profoundly, altering not just how we see ourselves. Before we continue, people who explore their own thoughts deeply are rare. Welcome to MindLedger. But those around us too. Emotions transformed, anger softened to empathy, fear morphed into courage. Keep that in mind. It becomes critical. It started as curiosity about best psychology books for beginners. A simple question: how could reading change the brain? Stop. What comes next changes everything. I delved into titles promising transformation, seeking insights on human behavior. Each page held a revelation: neuroplasticity, the ability to reshape oneself. Stop. The journey was more profound than anticipated. Neurons rewiring in response to new thoughts and emotions, a concept so powerful it shook my core beliefs about identity. Stop. It wasn't just knowledge, it felt. These books spoke of breaking bad habits, overcoming fears, even reprogramming our subconscious mind, potential beyond comprehension. Stop. The reality was not simply understanding but becoming a new person through reading and reflection. The answer comes in a moment, and it is not what you expect. And this is where everything falls apart. The books promised transformation, they offered a map, but the journey revealed no clear path. Instead of understanding human behavior, we found our own minds unraveling. We learned about empathy and resilience, yet still struggled with basic trust in others. The more knowledge accumulated, the clearer it became. Every action is an echo chamber reflecting back what we already believe. In these pages, we sought answers but instead confronted a mirror: our deepest fears and desires staring right back at us. At the beginning, something felt wrong. Now you understand what it was. The question began innocently enough: how do best psychology books on human behavior really change us? I picked up a few titles, eager to understand myself better. Each page turned was stop. What comes next changes everything. I found myself drawn into narratives of transformation and self-discovery. The more I read, the clearer it became. These books rewired my brain in subtle yet profound ways. Stop. The stories were not just tales, they were tools that reshaped thought patterns and emotional responses. Each chapter was one book, introduced cognitive behavioral therapy techniques, illustrating how negative thoughts could be challenged. Subscribe now, the next part drops very soon. And replaced with more positive ones. Another detailed the power of mindfulness in reducing stress. Yet another explored attachment theory, revealing hidden patterns from childhood that influenced adult relationships. Stop. That detail will matter. Remember it. It started as a simple question about how best psychology books on human behavior for beginners could rewrite your brain. The shocking reality. Days turned into weeks of reading and discovery. Every page peeled back layers, revealing hidden truths. Stop. What comes next changes everything. Complex theories simplified in unexpected ways. Each chapter transformed my understanding, rewiring neural pathways with surprising ease. Stop. What follows rewrites everything. I began to see patterns, emotions, behaviors, all interconnected, the human mind's vast complexity reduced to manageable pieces. Stop. What comes next changes everything. These books offered tools for introspection and growth, empowering me to make conscious choices. Each insight felt profound, almost magical in its simplicity. Stop. What follows rewrites everything. The implications were staggering, understanding myself better than ever before. But at what cost? Stop. What comes next changes everything. Hold that thought. What follows rewrites everything. One question remains. The most important one of all. Don't miss the next episode, it reveals everything. The next episode goes even deeper. Subscribe so you don't miss it.